turning our attention to these severe storms that are ripping through the area. Severe thunderstorm warning still in place for a good part of Suffolk County there. It looks like it has expired for parts of Nassau County, but we're still picking up that rotation. This is radar indicated. It doesn't mean that there is a tornado per se. It just means that the radar is picking up a little bit of that rotation in the atmosphere. So that goes into effect 11 p.m. now. So that includes East Setauket, Middle Island, Holbrook. Now we are pointing our attention now to Nassau County once again. We did have a little bit of a break in spots, as you can see in New Hyde Park, but don't hold your breath. We got some more storms just behind it. Elmhurst still getting a lot of it. Glendale as well, Elmont, Fresh Meadows. Down and toward Brooklyn, those storms are continuing to ignite. We do have some patches where there's a little bit of a lull, but although there is a break, there's still some showers that are still in store between now and around midnight. Speaking of which, let's time things out for you a little bit. So, for instance, if you're in Middle Island, we do have another batch of heavy downpours coming through right at around the 11 o'clock hour. North Sea, right at around midnight. East Quogue, 11:50. So we try to time it out for you in case if you got to make a mad dash somewhere, you may want to opt and maybe make a different decision to stay safe, because you want to stay off the roads if it is pouring out there. Now, on the flip side, the back edge, we're picking up a little bit of that break now. If you're in Lebanon, that's right before 11:30. Bedminster, right before midnight. Long Hill, about 12:28, just to give you a timeline of how to plan accordingly. So we're still within that warm sector. The air is still moist. It is still warm. And then we have this cold front, so the two air masses are really kind of battling it out a little bit. That creates that tension. That's why we're getting these storms firing up. So along with that, we have that trough behind that frontal boundary. Still a little bit of that instability, but it starts to clear out, and those winds will continue to pick up. We're in the 50s and 60s right now. Looking ahead, a spot shower mainly north and west tomorrow. Another frontal boundary coming through, but staying dry. Looks like some showers mainly north and west. Dry stretch, but then we turn our attention to Ian as it continues up from the Gulf into the mid-Atlantic into our neck of the woods. Speaking of which, maximum sustained winds 60 miles per hour. It's moving northwest 12 miles per hour. It is expected to bring some heavy rain, significant flooding, mudslides, storm surge, and we could see upwards of about a foot in some cases. But here's a breakdown in Haiti as well as Jamaica down and toward western and central Cuba. Speaking of which, it's expected to become a major Category 3 hurricane as it continues up from the Caribbean into the Gulf, but it does lose a little steam, and that's because that shear will pick up. We'll lose a little bit of that intensity, especially as it makes landfall. So it's something that we're going to continue to watch. Certainly significant problems in the Caribbean that we're tracking, and also for Florida and even Alabama, Mississippi, we're paying close attention to that. There's a look at your 7-day. Heidi, we'll send it back over to you.